Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. As you know, WordPress is a platform to build any website without coding. This is very useful platform, because you can build any website in short time. Reason is that you have not need to write code. There are built-in functions and drag and drop work only, so that WordPress is easy to use. Last time we learned about how to install WordPress on localhost. And today I want to show you how to change theme on WordPress website. First of all, open internet browser. Search localhost. Click on Access WordPress. My site is opened. Now log in to your dashboard. Simply write /login at the end of URL. And press enter. Write login detail here. And press enter. My dashboard is open. Go to Appearance. Some installed themes are showing here. And 2022 theme is installed on my site. I want to change this. Click on Add New. There are so many themes are showing. These are all free themes. If you have downloaded any other theme in your computer, you can upload that theme in your site. But if want to search a specified theme, write theme name in the search box. Install and activate theme. Now go to your site and check that theme is changed or not. My theme is changed. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you have any question about this video, please write in comment box. I will respond you as soon as possible. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.